Chris Newsom will have it now. Let's go. Ray Parks. LeBron.
LeBron does a lot of things on the basketball court, but why is it important that fundamentally he is sound and the kids have to be fundamentally sound?
I think one of the most important things to LeBron's game is that he's very fundamentally sound, and for his size, he's a very good ball handler. And these are drills I'm sure he does a lot because this gives him the ability to create his shots and get to the basket and do the things that he likes to do.
With us, helping us out here.
Well, I mean, you've seen him do this on the court before he was getting ready for a game during the NBA Finals as well.
Let's go, beginning moves, White back here, Red back there, let's go. Let's bring back out, White back. Okay, Red, skills, Red